to the first ever pin unboxing. We might be doing some in the future, or this might be the only one. I don't know. Anyways, today we are going to be unboxing the Toy Story mystery pin box, the Figment mystery pin box, the Frozen mystery pin box, and the Small World mystery pin box. And also showing some of the pins we got on our trip.
But you have to tell them what the pins are.
So we first have this Disney Vacation Club member 2018 one.
So here, show them up close. And then it spins. Except for I can't spin it. There we go. Okay.
And then the next one is the Pumpkin BB-8 one. Then the next one is the Slinky Dog Dash pin. We actually found this not in Toy Story Land. We found it by the Tower of Terror. So that's pretty cool. And then finally we have the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party pin.
Which, are you doing a giveaway for that?
Yes.
So should they go check out Little Man's giveaway? Should Mommy put a card up at the top? Okay, I will do that.
And then these are all the pins I have collected.
This one is our Disney Visa exclusive. It will go in the pin display case. But then this one wasn't that, was that one? No, that wasn't your mystery pin, but you love Figment.
It's a hidden Mickey one.
Yeah, so you're going to keep that one, right?
Yeah.
So are we putting that in the display case?
Yep.
And
I
then,
don't want to trade any Figments.
And then how did you get Hades? What was special about that one?
It was a mystery pin.
Can you explain to them what a mystery pin is in case they don't know?
So these are mystery pin boxes, but this is a mystery pin for pin trading. So what it is basically some pin trading cast members have pin boards, and they have one up, and normally they have an upside down pin, and you can only see the Mickey on the back of them. Yeah. That is what a mystery pin is. Are you ready to unbox the pins?
You can start unboxing.
Okay. So the first one is the Toy Story one. So I want the Slinky Dog one and the Ham one. And then Ham. So let's start unboxing.
Do you need help?
Yeah. I think these are meant to be opened with scissors.
Okay, there's your first one. I'll get the second one.
Okay. I don't know this character. I have a feeling it's Stinky Pete, but I don't know.
Yes, yes, you got Stinky Pete. Show the camera. There you go.
There's Stinky Pete. He is a yellow block.
There's your second one.
It's Woody. So once again,
You gotta show them.
So I didn't get Slinky Dog or Ham, one of the ones that I wanted, but I did at least get a blue block, which makes me happy.
That makes you happy. Okay.
And plus I have Woody on Kingdoms. Let's move on to Figment. So, for Figment, I don't care which one I get because I like them all. Now let's open the Figment up. There's two Figment ones. Ooh. Okay, one's bigger than the other. I'm keeping these in display.
The front part.
Which one is it? What is it? It's amazing. Oh. Look how amazing this is. Okay, what is it? What is it? Oh. This was unexpected. It's very similar.
Okay, you gotta show them.
And look,
You gotta show them. They see through the camera. There you go.
the Mickey's on the exact same place. So it's the same shape. The
Wait, you gotta show them the box.
Wait. So this is the frozen one. You can see all the pins you can get on the back. So I want this one. I don't know the name of them.
Oh, you want the little, are they snugglies? I can't remember.
I think they're called snugglies.
Yeah, those little guys. All right, go for it.
Okay, I'm going to open it nicely. Or I guess not nicely. Oh, I got Spin! So Spin's the only one that isn't a complete diamond because his antlers stick out at the diamond. That was unexpected. I got Elsa! This is great. So I haven't got any of the ones I've wanted so far. So I think It's a Small World will be my last chance. So for It's a Small World, I want the middle golden face thing. So let's unbox it. That was super easy. Oh, the packagings for these ones are a bit different.
All right, there we go. Here's your first one.
Ah!
Cute.
Yay! I got the one I pointed out before this episode.
What country would that be?
Oh, I guess Mexico.
Yes.
So I ended up not getting any of the pins that I wanted, except for the Figment ones.
Out of all of these, which one's your favorite?
I would have to pick this one.
That one. That one's your
Beautiful
favorite.
colors. I love Figment. Everything about it. Then for me, which one do I not like the most? I would have to pick the frozen ones. I didn't really want any of them except for that snow thingy.
Yeah, do you know why you got them?
Why?
They're being clearanced out. You can find them at the outlet. Well, we can't find them at the outlet store near us anymore here in Virginia, but some others might still have them.
If you want more pin unboxings, then tell my parents down below in the comments and push the like button if you want more too.